Today we will learn to create a butterfly with golden ratio in Adobe Illustrator, so let's start. First, take the ellipse tool and draw a circle. Set fill to none and increase the stroke weight. Now, select the scale tool and press enter on keyboard. In this panel, in the uniform field type, 100% divided by 1.618, which is the golden ratio, and click copy. Then press Ctrl+D to repeat the step 2 times. Now keep this out of the artboard. Go to View and enable Show Grid. Again, go to View and enable Snap to Grid. Now let's start making the butterfly. Drag the biggest circle while pressing Alt to make a copy. Duplicate this, place it as shown on the grid. Now take the smaller circle and place it as shown. Now take the circle smaller than this and place it as shown. Right-click and go to Transform and click on Reflect and click on Copy. Drag a copy as shown. Now take the Shape Builder tool and press Ctrl+A to select all. Then combine the shapes as shown. Press Alt to subtract the shape. Now let's add some colors. Select all and click on the default gradient. Add the blue and pink color to the gradient. Select the wings and rotate the gradient by 180 degrees and the body by 90 degrees. For the antennas, pick the gradient tool to set the gradient. The butterfly is ready. Make sure to like and subscribe for more like this.